Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Player Report versions 1.7 to 1.17. First thing you're going to want to do is, of course, head into the description of this video and find the Player Report link. Same with the Luckperms link. So for this tutorial, you're going to be needing to download two plugins. You're going to be needing to download Player Report right here and Luckperms right here. Luckperms is just to set up your permissions. Once you have both the plugins installed onto your computer, what you're going to want to do, well, this is just depending on what you use to host your servers, but you're going to want to go to your file management server, head to your plugins folder, drag both of the plugins in, and there we go. As you can see, Luckperms and Player Report are both in this folder. If you're using ASRock, then what you're going to want to do is you want to download a software 1.17.1 Spigot. So do that real fast. And then after that, you want to head to the plugins tab right here. And then you want to look up Luckperms. And then click this little button right here and it should come up with a green check mark. Oh, maybe not green, but you know, you get the point. And then what you're going to want to do is, of course, the main plugin that you came here for. So Player Reports. And it is right here. And if you are not sure this is the right plugin, you can click this link right here. And then as you can tell, it's the same as this one. So this is the right plugin. So just download this plugin as well. Alrighty, guys. Now all you're going to want to do is load up your Minecraft server. So let me start my server. And then join your Minecraft server, and I can take it from there. Okay, guys, so I am now in-game. As you can see, my server is all set up, and I have my test dummy right here, Furio. You might know him from a few of my other videos. To check if the plugin is actually working right, do /plugins. If you are not able to do the /plugins command, then you obviously don't have op on your server, so you're going to have to go into the console and do /op and then your name. Okay, so as soon as you do /plugins, it should say both the plugins that you have just installed, a Luckperms and a Player Report. They should both be green. If they are red, then you did not do something right, so you're going to need to go back and install it again, and make sure that you're using the right version. Now I'm going to show you actually how the plugin works. So, say Furio is hacking, right? So what I'm going to do is /report Furio, right? Oh, please specify a reason for your report. Let's just say hacking. You successfully reported Furio reason hacking. And then as you can see here, since I am opt, it will say Hurly _ has submitted a report. So basically this is meant for your players to report other players. And so you'll get this little message when someone else reports a player for hacking. And so what you want to do is do /reports, and then you can see the hack report right here. And this will even pop up if you're offline and someone reports them. Submitted by Hurly _, so that's me. Reported Furio reason hacking, and then you can left click to teleport, right click to remove this report, middle click to update this report, and drop to see if proof image is attached. Most likely you're gonna want to teleport to them, right? But you're probably gonna want to be invisible when you teleport to them, or else that is gonna be pretty bad, you know. So might as well do that. And then reports. There we go. He's also invisible. What is happening? But yeah, you get the point. Okay, so basically, you can't ban the player from this little GUI. If you do teleport to them and you figure out that they are hacking, then you can just do the command /ban their name, or temp ban if you're using Essentials X. Pretty much what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to set up permissions for this plugin. So set up like admins having the ability to see the reports, and the players being able to report players. Okay, guys, so what you're going to want to do now to set up the permissions for your admins is do the command /lp create group and then the name of the group. So most likely you're going to want to do like admin or something. There we go. Now it says admin was successfully created. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is type LP editor. And then you're going to want to click this link, and then it'll bring you to this website. Okay, guys, so now that you're on the website, it's going to look something like this. And since you just created a group, there should be two groups, default and then whatever you just made. So what you're going to want to do is go to the default group, and then you're going to want to type player report, or actually just search player. And then you're going to want to find the player report.report. And then once you find that, you're going to want to click add. And now players, when they join the server, they're going to be able to do the command /report. to report other players. But you're not done yet. So what you're going to want to do now is head to that new group that you just created, right? And this is the admin group. So this is so then the admins can see when a player gets reported, if that makes sense. So now what you're going to want to do is look up player report admin messages, and then search up player report again, and then click notify and player report.reports. I think that'll work. Now what you're going to want to do is, of course, add all three, and they are right there, and it says true. So both groups now have a few command strings added to them. So now what you're going to want to do to seal the deal is click save in the top right here. And then you're going to want to click on this to copy it to your clipboard. And now just go back into Minecraft. Okay, guys, so now that you're back in Minecraft, what you're going to want to do is click T, curl, and then V, and then enter. But if it looks something like this, then everything worked fine. So now what you're going to want to do is, of course, test it. So deop yourself, deop Hurly. Now that I'm deopt, it'll automatically put me in the default group. To test it, I'm going to type report, and then I'm just going to report myself. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to report myself, but you can see that it works fine. Okay, guys, so now that I'm opt again, what I'm going to want to do is type LP user and then the player name. So what I'm doing is I'm basically changing my group to the admin group. So then I'll have the new permissions. So then I'll be able to do all of the commands that the admins have. But what you're going to want to do is do LP user Hurly underscore parent add and then the rank. And the rank that we just added was admin. It'll probably be different for you depending on what you set. And then enter. And now it says Hurly now has the permissions from admin and contacts global. So I went from default group to admin. And now if I deopt myself, I should be able to do the command / reports. And as you can see, I can see the reports that I submitted accusing Furio of hacking. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this helped out in any means. Please like and sub, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.